Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and here we have Nail Supply Glamour. This is their Halloween nail art mystery box, and I'm super excited. I've definitely been obsessed with the whole idea of like mystery boxes, just because the first time that I got the House of Supply nail subscription and I got all these goodies and I didn't know what I was gonna get, I just fell in love with the idea of that. So that is where the obsession began. So here's what the box looks like when you open it. I absolutely love the packaging, and I definitely appreciate the Halloween confetti. I thought it was super cute. So here are some of the items. I just gave you a little sneak peek because I want it to be a surprise in the video of every little thing that it includes. So here we're starting off with these paper decorations for the nails, and I absolutely love these for encapsulation, but you can also use them over top of the nail. And I'm sorry if you guys are hearing like snoring. My dog unfortunately did undergo a seizure last night, and he's just recovering, so he does want to be right next to me. He does get a little bit more needy when he undergoes seizures, and it's just, you know, really hard, the whole situation. So he is right next to me, and that's why if you hear snoring, he's sleeping and trying to recover from yesterday. So next we're moving on to this really pretty mixed glitter, and it's super cute. It has like stars, different types of shapes, and this just looks super beautiful. So this is what this looks like. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let me know overall at the end of the video if you guys thought it was worth the money. This does go for $29.99, and with taxes and everything it was like $37.48, so it's like $37.48, but I believe it has to do with where you live as well, the shipping cost. So next here we have some really pretty pearls, and I thought they were rhinestones at first, but then I realized that they were green pearls, or like turquoise colored pearls. I thought they were really unique and pretty. And then next we're moving on to another set of mixed glitter, which I absolutely love mixed glitter because for encapsulation it just looks amazing. So here you have stars, you have all different types of shapes in black. It looks super nice. And then next here we have some glow-in-the-dark rhinestones, and I will be showing you what they look like under the light. So here is what they look like in the dark after I place it under the lamp to charge it up. So they do glow in blue, and I thought this was really neat. I don't think I have anything that glows in blue, so I was really excited to add this to my collection. So far I love everything, to be honest. I ended up being really happy with this mystery box. So here next we have a foil, a Halloween foil, and I will be showing you in detail what it looks like. And by the way, I did mention through YouTube and Instagram that I did come up with a mystery box, a nail art mystery box that is available on my Etsy shop, and I saw some people did comment some questions, and one of the questions was, what will it consist of? The reason why I didn't do a video of what it consists of is just because I don't know if the people who purchase from me watch my YouTube channel or not, and it is randomized. But even though it's randomized, I just want it to be a surprise. And just to let you guys know, I wouldn't like rip anybody off or like put something out there that I'm not proud of. So because they were asking me also the value of the mystery box, I mean it is $20, so don't expect like $100 value for a $20 mystery box, but also don't expect something that is garbage as well, because that's definitely not what I put out there. And by the way, thank you so much to everybody who supports me or supported me and purchased a mystery box. It really means the world to me, and I really appreciate it. It makes me really happy to see that people are actually even interested in it, to be honest. So I really appreciate that, and I do ship worldwide. If you are interested, I will have the link down below. So anyways, next we're moving on to another set of mixed glitters, super pretty. And then here we have some glitter, some red fine glitter, very nice. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys ended up thinking about this Halloween mystery box. Did you guys think it was worth the $30, or if you think it wasn't worth the $30? honestly, I was really happy with it, and I love mystery boxes. That's all I can say. So next here, we're also moving on to some fine glitter as well in orange. And then here we have some pixies in black, which I was super excited about because I don't even think I have pixies, or maybe I do. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm super excited because, well, I was super excited because I didn't have black pixies, and I was just really stoked to add this to my collection. I was really, really happy about that. And then next here, moving forward, we have, I don't even know what we have. I'm literally doing the voiceover waiting for me to get the next item. Okay, so here we have some mixed chunky and fine glitter, and it's really cute. I love this combination. I don't have anything like this, so I'm really, really happy to add this to my collection. And by the way, I will have so many hauls coming up. I'm super excited. I cannot wait to go on like a rampage of hauls because I know you guys absolutely love them. So that is what I'm here for, to bring you guys content that you guys enjoy, that you guys are gonna watch, and that you guys like. So next here, we're moving on to some charms. I think this was probably one of the items that was my favorite thing. Definitely the charms. I am a charm fanatic at the moment, and here we have 4 charms, Halloween themed, and I absolutely love the colored ones, especially. I think they're so cute. So here I'm just gonna show you up close what they look like. But yeah, I'm super excited. I literally got stuff from Charlie's Nail Art. I got their Halloween mystery box, and I also got their September mystery bag. Then I also got Sets Nail Co. entire Halloween collection, like for glitters. I also have, I think, a total of 3 Shein orders on the way, and then I also have 4 nail subscriptions from House of Supplies. I ended up going back and getting the tools subscription along with the acrylic powder. So now I have the tools, acrylic powder, icy box, and nail art subscription from House of Supplies. And then I also got a bunch of stuff from Amazon, and I think that's about it. But I'm really excited, and I'm really looking forward to showing you guys. So here next we have another foil, and these foils are really pretty. I was really happy to receive these. I didn't have these. I'm glad that I got things that I don't have in my collection. Like literally I didn't have any of this stuff, so I was super happy to just incorporate it into my collection. And hopefully soon I will have an organizational video up, or like a desk tour. I am trying my best to organize everything and just to try to make it look, you know, presentable, because there's a lot to do and I'm just trying my best to catch up with everything. So, and next here we have a sheet of skulls, and I thought this was really pretty. This was something also new added to my collection, so I'm just showing you up close what it looks like. And if you guys hear noise on the outside, I apologize. I do live in the city, so it's just very noisy. And then next we have another full-size sheet of Halloween little stuff like webs, faces, monsters, lips, hands, little sayings. Really cute as well. Like, I was super excited this year. I just knew I wanted to get a bunch of Halloween stuff because I didn't really have any, and I just wanted to stock up for this year and next year and so forth. So yeah, I was really excited to just get a bunch of Halloween stuff. So next here we have the best for last, of course. I saved an acrylic powder, and they are 15 grams, and I was super excited to receive these acrylic powders. It does include 2, so this is the first one. I like how they put like a little ghost on it. And I am using the Model 1's number 8 acrylic brush. I did purchase this through Amazon, but I'm pretty sure you can also purchase it through their website. And by the way, the reason why I purchased from Nail Supply Glamour was because I saw Ceci's, I think it's Ceci's Nail World, her channel. you guys should definitely check her out. But I saw her haul. She had like this huge Nail Supply Glamour haul, and I was just so like I just really liked everything that she got. So I went on their website and I'm like, you know what, let me get their like mystery box or whatever. And yeah, so because I saw her video, that's what made me want to get something from Nail Supply Glamour. And they actually do have a lot of nice stuff as well, because she was saying that they had really great stuff, and they definitely do. So you guys definitely should check out Nail Supply Glamour if you haven't already. And this is the second acrylic powder, 15 grams as well. And I hope you guys liked these swatches. I tried my best. Remember, I don't know really how to apply acrylic. I just try my best. So yeah, this is the second one, and I absolutely love both, and I hope you guys did as well, because I thought they were super pretty and a great size too. So yeah, and they both also come with like the safety tabs on them, so they won't spill or anything. So yeah, I absolutely love them. Let me know down below in the comments what was your favorite item in the box, what you guys thought about the box, and so forth. I'd love to know. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button to let me know that you guys enjoyed, and hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you guys once again. I'll see you next time.